Hi and welcome to Take Time to Create. My name is Linda and this is where we take time out of our everyday lives to create new and wonderful things. So I have this cadet hat that I created. It's been years ago. If I can, I'll flash it up how old it is on the screen. I put it on my blog and it is one of my most popular blog posts. I pinned it on Pinterest. It's one of my most popular pins, but it's a little grimy. It's a little disgusting. And let me hold it up. The rhinestones are falling off. I mean, it's just coming apart. So I decided it is time to create a new one. It is time to update it. So I purchased, wow, look at the difference in the blacks. This one was a black like this one. So I purchased a new cadet hat. This is a flower. It's actually a bead, but I got it from Hobby Lobby on the clearance section years and years and years ago, so you can't get these anymore. I thought about ripping this off and reusing it on the new cap, but I really like this cap. This one is perfect for, if I go on vacation. I have swum with this in the beach or in the ocean. I've taken it on numerous vacations. I have, it's been outside, of course, and I would show you the inside, but the inside is just disgusting. Sunscreen on the inside. It has held up surprisingly well. And this, I get tons of compliments on this cap. It's one of my favorites. It's very comfortable to wear. So, I thought I would show you guys how to make it. Like I said, I did do a blog post with this cap, but I did not do a video with it. So I thought I would show you a video today on how we make this cap. Well, we're just going to embellish it. We're not actually sewing the cap. So for this hat, we're going to use this Starburst, Sunshine, whatever it is. I think it's beautiful. It'll look really wonderful on this. And I got it at Joann's. Use your coupon. These can get a little pricey, but I love it. It is so pretty. It's actually a brooch. So if I wanted, I could just pin it on and then be able to take it off and use it again, which I might actually do that. You can see on the brooch, it is up toward the top third. And I'm going to probably pin it upside down, and I might pin it. I might glue it. Who knows? It depends on if I want to put the design on the bill. If I'm going to put on the bill, it needs to be glued on. In that case, I'll have to clip it. But first, let's see what we're going to do. I also picked up these swirls. Now, this is the secret to the cap. I didn't swirl this manually one rhinestone at a time. There's no way. I pick up these from where the scrapbook section is, and surprisingly, these held up very, very well. This is from K & Company, and I thought the silvers went very nicely. I thought it'll be really pretty. What I like to do is cut out, because there's like a little acetate sheet on the back or whatever it's called, but I like to cut out the design, and I'm actually going to... You can cut the design apart too, just snip in between it. So now this giant sticker is now just by itself. So this is looking really pretty. All right. So you kind of want to place it on here and you want to kind of see what's going on. And as we're doing this, so I'm also going to show you how I prep my E6000 because we are going to be using E6000. That's what I used before and it worked great. So I have these little syringes and I have these tips that I like to use. I use usually a bigger tip. They're bored out so that you can just squirt E6000 through. So it's really handy. It's a great tool. You thread it on, you pull back the plunger. Oh, it's not going to come out. There we go. Pull back the plunger. You take the E6000. You pour it in there, and then you can use it as a precision tip to be able to precisely apply your glue. Now, because what we're going to do is we're going to glue these stickers on. Just because they are from the scrapbook section and they got adhesive on the back of it, it's not at all enough adhesive to last more than 10 minutes. So, like I said, the other one lasted years, and I think it's really a testament to how much glue I put on there. Now, of course, you want to take care of it. I wasn't as careful as I could have been, but I was pretty careful overall. All right. Put the plunger back in. I'm all zoomed in now, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take, oh, I'm not sure which ones. Let's see here. We're gonna start with this one, and I am just going to kind of peel back the acetate. Now it's kind of tricky, and it doesn't work perfectly. See, this acetate wants to keep going forward. Okay, so we're gonna kind of peel it back, and we're gonna stick some of the glue on here with the syringe. This syringe is fantastic. Oh, see, it already went back. Okay. It's always hard starting, but I figure a little bit is better than a lot right now. So let me peel back just a little bit more, so maybe it'll stop. It'll knock that off. So these syringes are fantastic. I love them, and I have featured them before. So they just make it so much easier to work with when you're doing really tiny little rhinestones and stuff. Okay, so we're gonna kind of set that down like that, and we're gonna peel back a little bit. Oh, let me get this back in frame. Sorry, guys. All right, there we go. I think this is adorable, and I think it's good to go just like this. I did end up clipping off the brooch pieces to this because I wanted to glue it more on the bill than pin it up here. But make sure everything is really well adhered down. If you need to go back through, add some more glue. Let it dry 24 hours before you touch it. So make sure it is completely dry before you wear it. So I would give it 24 hours before you wear it. And be gentle with it. It is glued on, but other than that, it should work great, and it should last quite a few years, and it's your own custom design. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and on my blog. I have 2 Instagrams, Linda's Journey 78 and Take Time to Create. All of the links are in the description box down below. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time.